Right. Picture this. We're in an alternate universe, where the Godless party has just swept the elections. The old St. Peter's College has been reborn as Karl Marx College, and our story begins with a young student who's just noticed something odd on the calendar. He's thinking, hang on, Jews have Passover and Hanukkah, Christians get Christmas and Easter, but what about us godless lot? Where's our grand holiday? So off he goes to the college debating society to float the idea. The room erupts with enthusiasm, not a single dissenting voice. The motion passes faster than free pizza at a student union. He's cheered on to take it up the political food chain. The local party branch loves it and promptly sends him to party HQ. The bigwigs there, absolutely on board. Before you know it, he's standing before the prime minister who, as luck would have it, is a dyed-in-the-wool atheist. The PM lights up. A holiday for atheists? Brilliant, let's do it. The wheels of government start turning, a bill is drafted, and it sails through the lower house, no hiccups. It shoots through the upper house, barely a peep. Now, despite all this progressiveness, this realm still clings to its monarchy. The king's approval is needed. Classic, right? So the bill lands before His Majesty, who's perched on a golden throne, ever so regal. He reads the bill, strokes his chin, and wanders over to a bookshelf. From it, he pulls a dusty old tome, jots a note on a sticky, and tucks it in. The book, not the bill, is sent back to Parliament. The Prime Minister, expecting triumphant paperwork, instead gets an ancient book. What's this? He wonders. The equerry assures him, direct from the king, sir. Opening the book to the marked page, the PM reads the king's note. You already have your holiday. An arrow points to a verse. The fool hath said in his heart, there is no God. And there, in the king's hand, the final flourish. Your holiday is April the 1st. So there it is. In this dimension or any other, April Fool's Day is, apparently, the atheist's holiday. Straight from the lips of a king with a wicked sense of humor. Right, I've had an absolute blast telling this tale. If you got a laugh, hit like and subscribe. My other videos take a more serious turn, but I reckon you'll enjoy them too. Sure.